Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Notifications section. Then click on App Settings over here and click on Most Recent. Following that, tap on the best option for you. I will go with Most Frequent and click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now turned off. If you wish to turn them back on, click on the same switcher one more time. But you can always just click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!